Hi friends, I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. To help you maximize your learning and develop better study habits, here are some useful study hacks. 1. Set specific goals. Clearly state the objectives for each study session. Setting clear objectives will keep you motivated and focused. 2. Create a study schedule. Create a regular study schedule. Set up definite blocks of time to study various things, and try your best to keep to it. Apply the Pomodoro Technique. 3. Divide your study time into small halves, such as 25 minutes of serious study and 5 minutes of rest. Take a longer pause, 15–30 minutes, after each set of intervals has been completed. Your concentration and productivity can both increase using this method. 4. Actively interact with the material to learn it. Summarize, rephrase, and impart knowledge about ideas to others. Your understanding and memory retention are strengthened as a result. 5. Use visual aids. To graphically represent difficult material. Make mind maps, diagrams, flowcharts, and flashcards. Visual aids can improve comprehension and increase learning enjoyment. 6. Practice retrieval by routinely testing your knowledge of the stuff you've been learning. Your capacity for long-term retention is improved when you can recall information. 7. Interleaved practice. Vary the disciplines or topics you practice during a study session. Your ability to distinguish between concepts is improved, and your total understanding is enhanced by this strategy. 8. Take careful notes. Create a system for taking notes that works for you. To emphasize important information, think about utilizing bullet points, headings, and highlighting. Once you've finished studying, put your notes in order. 9. Maintain organization. Keep the area where you study neat and clutter-free. Reduce distractions by organizing your study materials, textbooks, and notes. 10. Avoid multitasking and concentrate on just one thing at a time. Being inefficient and preventing deep knowledge are two effects of multitasking. 11. Eat well and drink plenty of water. Your ability to concentrate and maintain proper cognitive function might benefit from enough water and a well-balanced diet. 12. Be active. Maintain a regular physical activity schedule. Exercise can help your general cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain. 13. Sleep soundly. Make obtaining enough good sleep a priority. For the brain to work properly and to consolidate memories, sleep is essential. 14. Teach others. Teaching others can help you grasp ideas better. You can also find any knowledge gaps using this strategy. 15. Use technology wisely. Make use of the tools, apps, and online resources that will help you learn. Be careful not to get distracted by too much screen time, though. 16. Participate in study groups. Peer collaboration can offer various viewpoints and aid in the clarification of complex ideas. 17. Regular reviews include: to help you remember your lessons, schedule frequent review sessions. Over time, spaced repetition can aid in preventing forgetting. 18. Minimize distractions. To foster a concentrated learning environment, turn off alerts, put your phone on silent, and, if required, utilize internet blockers. 19. Stay positive. Keep an optimistic outlook. Recognize your progress and treat yourself for reaching your learning objectives. Because everyone has a unique learning style, try out these study tips and adjust them to suit your needs. Study success depends on dedication and consistency. Like, share, subscribe, comment.